the Deviramma Jatrotsava festivities at Deviramma Betta in Chikmagaluru, Karnataka. Several devotees faced difficulties due to rainy and slippery conditions while trekking to the temple on October 31st. Some fell and sustained injuries, while a few fainted from fasting. Sindhu fainted and Divya from Bengaluru injured her leg. Fortunately, the police and district administration had safety measures in place, offering ropes for support and deploying rescue teams. Superintendent of Police Vikram Amathe confirmed that the fainting incidents were due to fasting and that those affected received prompt medical attention. Despite some media inaccuracies, there was no stampede. Overall, the effective management by authorities was praised by attendees. Everyone's safety during the event.